Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another adventure with me, Leo. Today, my black rebel motorcycle and I have arrived at one of the greatest human achievements ever built, the legendary Great Wall of China. Stretching across mountains, deserts, and valleys, this ancient wonder tells stories of war, protection, and history that lasted for thousands of years. So gear up, because today we are exploring the beauty, mystery, and breathtaking views of the Great Wall of China. The journey to the Great Wall is already unforgettable. The mountain roads twist through forests and hills, and every turn reveals more of China's incredible landscape. Riding here feels like traveling back in time. Standing here in person is unbelievable. The wall looks endless as it climbs across the mountains like a giant dragon. Some sections are steep and challenging, but the views are absolutely worth it. The Great Wall was originally built to protect ancient China from invasions and attacks. Construction began more than 2,000 years ago. Imagine ancient soldiers once walking these same mountains centuries ago. What makes the Great Wall so impressive is not only its size, but also the engineering. Workers use stone, brick, wood, and earth to build this massive defense system. Along the wall, there are watchtowers where soldiers watched for enemies and sent smoke signals across long distances. Even today, historians are amazed by how such a structure was built without modern machines. The scenery here is breathtaking. Endless mountains surround the wall, creating one of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. Every season changes the atmosphere: green summers, golden autumns, snowy winters. No matter when you visit, the Great Wall always feels majestic. After climbing the wall, it's time to enjoy some local Chinese food. The noodles are fresh, the dumplings are delicious, and the tea is incredibly relaxing after a long walk. Traveling isn't only about places. It's also about tasting culture. If you love photography, this place is paradise. Every corner looks cinematic. Sunrise and sunset are the best times to capture the beauty of the Great Wall. The golden light hitting the ancient stones creates a magical atmosphere. Being here makes me think about human determination and history. Millions of people worked for generations to build this wonder. The Great Wall is more than a wall. It is a symbol of strength, unity, and survival. As the sun sets behind the mountains, the Great Wall becomes even more beautiful. Today's journey reminded me why travel is so powerful. It connects us to history, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure at the Great Wall of China. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride along with me for more amazing destinations around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.
Vocabulary: ancient, very old, from long ago. Example: the Great Wall is an ancient structure. Majestic, grand and beautiful. Example: the mountains look majestic at sunrise. Watchtower: a tower used to observe enemies. Example: soldiers stood inside the watchtower. Speaking practice. The Great Wall of China is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Traveling helps us understand history and culture.